Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to unbox the brand new Google Pixel 4a. It just came in this brown box, so let's get it open. And here's the phone. Looks like it's upside down, but everything else is right side up, so that's kind of strange. But either way, let's check it out. So here's the box. Here's the front. It has a picture of the Pixel 4a. Then on the right side, it has a profile of the phone with a little green button. On the top, just the G. On the left, Google. Then on the bottom, it has all the serial numbers and all that. And says, just black, 128 gigabytes, only Pixel 4a. So let's tear these things off and open up the box. And here's the phone. Looks pretty nice. Let's peel this off. Actually, let's put that back on for now and put this over to the side. So let's see what's in this box. So we got the little paperwork here and the SIM card ejector. You know, normal stuff. And in this box, we get an 18-watt charger, which is pretty crazy considering that this phone costs $350 and Apple's $700 phone only comes with a 5-watt charger. And then we got the USB-C to USB-C cable right here, as well as a USB-C to USB-A OTG cable, but this is difficult to remove, and I'm just going to leave this in here. But either way, let's put everything back together and get back to the phone and power it on. So the first thing you notice is that hole punch right there, and if you look closely, it almost looks like the pixels on the edges are kind of turned off. It's kind of strange. It doesn't look like a perfectly curved edge. But the back is a nice plastic, kind of matte plastic. And this little camera area, it kind of looks like there should be more cameras, but there's just one. Then on the right side, you got the volume buttons and this colored power button, which is pretty cool. And on the left, well, let's watch this boot up. That was cool. Then on the left, we have a SIM card tray. It's just a nano tray, even though this phone does support an eSIM. And let's skip through all this setup. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not really too much to talk about yet. All of that is going to go into the review, which is going to come out next week. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or want me to talk about certain things in the review, let me know in the comment section or message me on Twitter. I get bored over there. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more unboxing, review, and some repair videos. And hit that bell button so then YouTube reminds you when those videos do come out. Thanks for watching.